This is timely. Brian's forecast is calling for rain, possibly thunderstorms later today. Maddie Michalik from the Toy Insider joins us now with toys for a rainy day. I love these toys. What have you got?
Yeah, so when I think of a really fun rainy day activity, the Marble Rush Ultimate set from VTech comes top of mind. I have one right here behind me. It comes with 145 pieces for kids to build a pretty impressive structure, and it comes with pieces like a spinning Ferris wheel, a swirling cone that lights up, ramps, launchers, whatever you think of it'll have. So I love how kids can really test themselves with this set. So there's instructions for 3 different builds, beginner to advanced, but of course they can challenge themselves with whatever they'd like to come up on their own.
So this reminds me of Mousetrap when I was a kid, but
Oh
on
my
a
gosh,
bigger scale.
that is a classic game, and yeah, that definitely has that type of feel for sure.
And I know you sent us the pieces for that, but we don't have time to play. maybe this afternoon on a rainy day we can build all that. There's so many pieces in that, and nice and quiet too for the adults. So what else do you have?
Yeah, so next let's talk about the Meows mystery plush. And what's really cool about these is that these are collectibles, and for the first time a female gamer is being represented in the toy space. So we love that girl power. So
We
this
do.
line is yes. So the line is based on the YouTuber gamer Mao. She has more than 11 million followers and is known for her love of cats. So now her fans can open up their very own mini versions of her animated feline friends. So they come packed in a blind pack for a surprise unboxing experience. There's 8 that kids can collect. And I got the cheeseburger cat. And then they're super soft and really great to collect.
They are so soft. I'm going to take the little pumpkin cat for my own.
Oh, that's
Very
so cute.
I've claimed him already. Now, something else that really piqued my interest was, what's it called? Loop-de-doo. So, okay, 10-year-old me is going, oh, I want this, because you can make your own bracelets.
Yeah, so friendship bracelet making is super trendy right now, and kids can make their own in minutes with the help of this, it's so fun to say, loop-de-doo friendship bracelet maker kit. So this is a spinning loom that will help kids weave their designs together. So the instructions manual gives inspiration for a bunch of different styles, but all the creativity is in kids' hands. So kids can choose the thickness, color, and looping style to create a unique design each time. And it is kid powered, so we love that there's no batteries involved as well.
That's awesome. And you could use like just regular embroidery floss when you run out of everything else that's included in the kit, right?
Absolutely, and you can also buy refill thread as well. So there's a bunch of different styles you can make, and it's just a really fun thing you can do. Make for yourself, make for your friends, and of course you can go beyond just making bracelets.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, want to highlight another one. This is from Lego, and it's a different type of Lego. So it's Lego dots.
Yeah, so we all know how iconic Lego building is, and now that is Lego Dots, which is a new take on Lego pieces with an arts and crafts twist. So this is a line of DIY projects, and with this Lego Dots big message board, kids can display their own messages to share and display. So there's no wrong way to decorate. The one you have over there says the future is ours, which I think is such a lovely message. And then kids can customize it in vertical, horizontal, or square layouts as well.
Okay, we've got less than a minute left, but I want to talk about one last game, and it's called Crossed Signals. And this is a good active game that all ages could play, right?
Yes, this one is so fun. It has super easy rules, but it does get complicated. So with cross signals, kids will follow the lights and move their sticks up, down, or shake them. It sounds easy until it goes faster and faster, and you have to do different things with each hand, or it tricks you and you have to go in an opposite direction. So just like you said, this is great for kids ages 8 and up. You can play solo or in a competition with up to 4 friends, with several game modes as well. So you can play different challenges each time.
It's a real brain teaser, that one. So are these toys all available now?
Yes, you can get them right now at all major retailers.
Okay, Maddie, great fun playing with you on a rainy day. You make a rainy day fun. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. Have a good one.